Welcome back to Accounting with Ellis. Today, we're talking about one of the most important financial habits you can develop, creating a simple budget. Whether you're managing personal finances, saving for a goal, or trying to control spending, a budget is the key to staying on track. In this video, I'll show you how to build a budget step by step using basic accounting concepts like income and expenses, tips for sticking to it, and tools to make the process easy, even if you're a total beginner. Let's jump in. First, what is a budget? A budget is a plan that shows how much money you have coming in, your income, and how much you plan to spend, your expenses. Think of it as your financial roadmap. Without one, it's easy to overspend, lose track of your money, and miss out on savings for things you care about, like travel, emergencies, and investments. So let's start creating your budget step by step. Step 1. Let's start with your income, the money you earn. This could be your salary or wages, income from a side hustle or freelancing, or any other source like rental income. For example, let's say you earn $2,500 per month from your job and $500 from freelancing. Write those numbers down. Your total income is $2,500 plus $500 equals $3,000. Knowing your income gives you a clear picture of how much you have to work with. Step 2. Next, list your expenses. These are the costs you expect to pay. Break them down into two categories. 1. Fixed expenses. These are costs that stay the same every month, like a rent or mortgage, insurance, or loan payments. 2. Variable expenses. These can change, like groceries, gas or transportation, and entertainment and dining out. For our example, let's say your expenses are rent of $1,000, groceries of $400, insurance of $200, and entertainment of $300. Now total those up. $1,000 plus $400 plus $200 plus $300 equals $1,900. So far, you've earned $3,000 and you expect to spend $1,900. Step 3. Subtract your expenses from your income to see what's left over. In our example, $3,000 of income minus $1,900 of expenses equals having $1,100 left over. This leftover money can go towards saving, paying off debt, or future goals. The goal here is to make sure you're not spending more than you earn, and ideally, you're saving some of what's left. Here are some quick tips to help you stick to your budget. Track your spending. Use an app like Mint or YNAB to monitor where your money goes. You can also keep track of your spending on a simple Excel sheet. Set realistic goals. Don't aim to cut all spending at once. Start small, like reducing takeout by $50. Check in weekly. Spend 10 minutes every week reviewing your income and expenses to keep yourself on track. Let's do a quick recap. So in order to create a budget, you need to list your income, list your expenses, then subtract your expenses from your income. Then you're able to track your progress with tools or templates to see how much money you can save each month, each week, each day. If you're ready to take control of your finances, start building your budget today. Hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly accounting videos, and let me know your budgeting goals in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.